Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this video I'll discuss about recursive function. So first of all you have to understand the definition of recursive function. So recursive function means when we call a function inside that function only, so that is called recursive function. So now I'll give you one practical example. So first of all I'll declare one function and the function name I'll write count. By the way, the function name you can write anything. And now how we call the function? So simply we copy and we paste it outside of the function. So that is the normal function declaration. Right now someone if ask you to print a value from 1 to 5, so how you will do it? So you will write one for loop, right? But by recursive function you can do it without for loop. So first of all let's see how you can do it by for loop, then it will be easy to understand recursive function. So now here I will pass one parameter. So parameter name is n, okay, and I will pass the value of the parameter where I'm calling the function. So I'm calling the function here. So here I will pass the value of this n. So now here I will pass it 1. So now here I will write one for loop. So for, and inside this for loop I will take one variable. So here let, you can write var as well instead of let, and the variable name is I. So I equals to n. What is the meaning of that? So I equals to n means I equals to 1 because the value of n here I passed 1, right? So now here I will write the another condition is I less than equals to 5, means I will be up to 5 only, not more than 5 or not less than 5, right? Because I have written less than equals to means I will be up to 5, and I plus plus means I will be increased 1 by 1. So now inside this for loop if I console dot log I, because here I is increasing 1 by 1 and I is going up to 5. So if I print console dot log I, that means I will be from 1 to 5, right? I will print 1 to 5. So let's see in the browser, see I is printed 1 to 5. So this is the use of for loop. But in the same thing you can do it by recursive function. So now I will comment this one, and I told like when we call a function inside that function only, so that is called recursive function. So now first of all I'll print the console.log this n, okay, the value of n. Now it will print 1 only, okay. So let's see first. So you can see it is printed only 1 because the value of n is 1 only. So now here if I call the function, I mean this function inside that function also, so here like this, and here if I print n plus 1, so that time what is the meaning of that? So I'm printing n. So first of all n value is 1, and here it will work as a loop, right? So when we call a function inside that function only, so that time it work as a loop. So that means here first time n is 1 it will print, the next time n will increase, n plus 1 means 2, so it will print 2, and the third time so 2 plus 1 is 3, so in console it will print 3, right? So here I have written this one, but I have to write one condition how long n will print. Like here I have written n will print up to 5, I mean in this case not n, in this case I. So here I have to write the condition like how long n will print. So n will print up to 5. So here I can write the condition like this way: if n not double equals to 5, means until n is 5, so that time it will call the function, right? So here I will write like this. So now let's see, you will get the same output, see 1 to 5, right? So here same thing you can do it by recursive function. So recursive function means it work as a loop, okay. So you can solve the many kind of problem by recursive function. In my next video if you want, so I will do it, okay, and I will show you how many problem you can solve it by recursive function. So if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe my channel to get more updates.